All right, I'm doing a summary on Daf Yud Aleph in masechet megillah. So, in the beginning, we have the comparison that the parsim were compared to bears. And that's when the verse, when it says that the bears are going to bother us, it's a remnant to Achashverosh. Then we have a verse of Rabbi Elazar that says that we're saying that because of the Bittul Torah, that's why God didn't redeem us. Then Rav Masa says another verse. He says, that God basically, Muhammad said that the God loved the Jews. So we have a verse in the Torah that says that God did not leave the Jews and stayed close to us. Then we have a few other verses that basically the ending point is that Lesi Levo, God in the end of the days is going to reveal Himself. Times of Gog and Magog, times of Mashiach, Lesi Levo. Then the name Achashverosh. What does the name Achashverosh mean? We have four explanations. First one, Rav said that he's going to be Achiva Berosh. He's the head of, he's compared to the Rosh to Nebuchadnezzar, in the fact that he wanted to kill the Jews, and Nebuchadnezzar wanted to kill the Jews. He wanted to destroy the Beis Hamikdash, and Nebuchadnezzar actually destroyed the Beis Hamikdash. Then we have Shmuel's explanation of Achashverosh, referring to that he made that Shachol, that he blackened the faces of the Jews at the time. Leowenstein said that anybody remembers his name says Ach Lohosho, that hurts his head, so it's Achashverosh. And Rachanina says that everybody became Rashin, Achashverosh, Rashin became poor people in his time since he wanted so many taxes. What does it mean, Hamolech? It says in the megillah, Hamolech, there's a chlokes whether so they said he made himself king. Either he made himself king through paying off people, or he made himself king because he was chosen, because he was the best. He ruled the world from Hodu till Kush. What does it mean from Hodu to Kush? It means that he ruled the world from one side to the other side of the world. Same thing with Shlomo HaMelech. It says that three people ruled the world from the beginning to the end. It was Achav, Achashverosh, and Nebuchadnezzar. Shlomo HaMelech does not count since Shlomo HaMelech controlled both Elyonim and Tachtonim. So he had full control, and he's in a different league. We're not talking about people who have full control, we're talking about people that have control only in this world. Then, it says in the verse that Kesheves HaMelech, and it says B'shna Shalosh Malkoi. So what does it mean Kesheves HaMelech? So there's Belshazzar, there's Achashverosh, and there's the actual Pshat. Belshazzar thought that the Golus was going to happen in 70 years from the times of the kingship of Babel, which would be Nebuchadnezzar 45 years, Avil Berodach 23 years, and then him 2 years. So in his third year, he thought he would become, that was the 70th year. He was wrong. Achashverosh added 8 more years because he started counting the times of the Galus Yehoiachim, which took place 8 years after Belshazzar's. So he added 1 year of Belshazzar, 5 years of Cush and Daryavish, and then he added another 2 of himself. That was his third year. That's why there was Vayoshiv. That's why it says Kesheves HaMelech. 8 years passed from then, and still no Galus. He was also wrong since we start counting the 70-year Galus from the Galus Tzidkiah, the second Galus, which is 11 years past the 8-year marathon of Galus Yoyachin, which means we have to add 11 more years to the kingship of the 3 years of Achashverosh, which would add up to 14. Now, why does it say that Daryavish II built it by that was the time when the Bayis Sheni was built, which would mean 2 years past the 14th year of Achashverosh? Because we say that talking about Meshanim and Mekutaot, we take off a year from the Koresh and Daryavish, so and we take off a year from Avil Berodach and Nebuchadnezzar. That's why it was exactly 70 years and not 72 years.